What is going on, Dice Gang? Back for another video. Okay guys, and today we are going to be doing a yet another remake of another song. This time I'm not as late. Alright, the song came out maybe end of October. It is now like early November, early November, should be. It's called Immortal by 21 Savage, if you didn't read the title. It's a pretty cool song. I did a remake of it because it's pretty simple. Yeah, this is a really awkward intro. I don't know why. But yeah, let's get into it. If you haven't already joined my Discord, I'm gonna always say this, join my damn Discord. It's popping right now, okay? You're missing out a lot. Join my Discord, all right? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's get into the remake. All right, hold on a second, one moment.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so this is the beat. It's pretty simple. The piano pattern, very simple. It's just a really descending tone. Sounds like this. Yeah, that's it. It's really simple. It's just those descending notes. Then we now have, let's get rid of this clap. I don't exactly need that. Here's the bad guy hi-hat, or this is just the hi-hat that I used in the thing, but yeah, that's the pattern. Actually, you know, let me play it with the thing. And next we have the 808 pattern. 808 pattern is very simple, very cool. And a good thing about this one is that when it switches between there's like parts where it switches and it just went up an octave, but yeah, it's the same pattern. You know what I'm saying? It's a pretty simple pattern. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Might be a little detuned. I don't know why, but yeah. It also, I think it goes this low. Nah. Yeah, this is when it goes up to this octave here in like a certain part of the song. But yeah, then we have the snare or whatever. It's right here and it sounds like this. But yeah, there it is. It's really, I mean, obviously there's gonna be the, you know, textures of the sample. I don't know, what was it? It was like some background noise to make it like sound more spooky or whatever. I didn't find it. Sorry, I don't know where it is. I was not about to look for it. Maybe Nexus or Omnisphere, I mean, might have it, but I just cannot be asked right now. But yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay it out, try and make it sound as close to the song as possible with the pattern that I have. Oh yeah, and also another thing, forgot, there's also a reverse piano part, which is, you know, I'm going to show you guys that in the layout, or when I lay it out and whatnot and all that stuff. Alright, so yeah, let's do that right now. Alright, well there you have it. There is my 21 Savage Immortal instrumental remake. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you don't forget, join my Discord, alright? I'm gonna need y'all to do that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all guys in the next video. Peace.